In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Scrum process and sprints in Asana. If you're part of a team that has adopted the agile methodology, then you know how vital it is to efficiently manage your sprints. Asana, a popular project management tool, offers a streamlined approach to help you organize and track all your Scrum activities. To begin, we'll set up your Scrum project in Asana. You'll start by creating a new project. In Asana, you have the choice of using Board View or List View for your project. Board View offers a Kanban-style layout, providing excellent visibility across different stages of your workflow, while List View can also be effective depending on your preference. Once you've chosen your view, give your project a descriptive name, something like Sprint 1, your project name. Next, it's time to create the Scrum columns in your board. These columns represent the different stages of your Scrum cycle. You'll need to add sections that typically include a product backlog, sprint backlog, in progress, review, testing, and done. The product backlog is where all your ideas, tasks, and features that are ready to be prioritized reside. Once tasks are selected for the current sprint, they move to the sprint backlog. Tasks that are actively being worked on go under in progress, and once they're ready for testing or stakeholder feedback, they'll move to review testing. Finally, any completed task should be moved to done. After setting up the columns, it's time to populate your product backlog. You'll enter your user stories or tasks as individual tasks in Asana. A useful format for user stories might be, as a user, I want feature, so that benefit. Make sure to include acceptance criteria in each task description to ensure everyone on the team knows when a task is considered complete. You can also add subtasks for more detailed workflows like technical breakdowns or design steps. Now let's plan your sprint. First, create a sprint milestone such as Sprint 1, 2 weeks. Then move the task you've selected for this sprint from the product backlog to the sprint backlog. Assign each task to a specific team member and set clear due dates within the sprint timeframe, ensuring that everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. Running daily stand-ups is also essential. In Asana, you can either use task comments or create a dedicated section called Daily Stand-Up for quick updates. Have each team member briefly share what they did yesterday, what they plan to do today, and if they're facing any blockers. Finally, at the end of each sprint, conduct a sprint review and retrospective. Move all completed tasks to the done column and hold a review meeting to showcase the work to stakeholders. Document notes in a retrospective section, reflecting on what went well, what could be improved, and any action items for the next sprint. By following these steps,